Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a look at Document360 to see if this is the best AI knowledge base software. So I have here a list with the pros and cons, and by the end of this video you'll see if this is it's a good app for you or not. So we're going to start with the pros, which has intuitive and fast setup, robust search and analytics. So powerful search ensures users quickly find content, while analytics help track engagement and improve articles. Custom branding and collaborations offer customization, commenting on articles, version control, and role-based reader access. Responsive support and frequent updates, so users praise the attentive customer service and rapid feature enhancement. Then we have some limitations. Integration gaps. So compared to platforms like Confluence, integration are fewer, can be problematic for specialist workflows. Limited templates and customization polish. While customization is present, article templates are limited and formatting quirks exist. Subscription complexity and mobile limitations. Pricing can feel opaque for small teams, no dedicated mobile app, and occasional UI bugs. Basic collaboration and language support, so lacks advanced workflow tools and has limited multilingual capabilities. So these are the pros and cons for Document 360. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this app. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.